Namaskar. Let's see the 3D hologram which is used by Narendra Modi ji in the political campaigning in elections. Let's see the 3D hologram made by Asia School students. This is the black surface. This is the glass. Mobile with full brightness at here. Now we put one handkerchief over here. This is the best 3D hologram which is used by Modi ji. Let's see the 3D hologram. That is a hummingbird. Let's see how it is made. This is a handkerchief. This is one glass. And this is a mobile. And this is a black surface. You see, this is the 3D hologram based which is used by Modi ji in election campaigning. Now you put this over here. This is the black surface made by the paper, cardboard. Here we put the mobile. It's made by Asia School students.